So for the individuals and some of these students that we just talk about, and adults as well, for the ones that are really struggling with identifying their purpose, being able to articulate their purpose or living on their purpose, what kind of suggestions do you have to offer?
So peace is a must, and peace within the mind is a must. You know what I mean? And you have to tell yourself, if you're a Jamaican, say, I didn't make this place this way it is, but I can become a change to make it better. So with that thought in mind of making the place better, you, within that reasoning with yourself, you'd find your purpose. So you'll see if your purpose is to work and help somebody make it better, or build a family and teach your kids the way they are to grow. So it's within you, your purpose there. But if you get shadow blind by activity, you may lose your purpose and lose your way. And once you lose your way, somebody think you can't find it back. But if you lose your way and you slow down, Jah will create a way. Just talk to the Most High. You know what I mean? That's what I do many times. You know what I mean? Because life is a journey and you go back up on many crossroads and a lot of signs. So you have to figure it out and see the path you go down. You try this, you try that. Stay focused on something to make it better. So if it's something good, that's your purpose. You know what I mean? And focus on it and stick to it until you see it's true, right? So you just continue doing the best you can do, being the best person you can be. So life is good when you're alive. Watch the things that you eat, watch the things that you drink, watch the people that you associate with, and watch who want to carry down, try to carry them up. Change them, don't make them change you to be positive. That's my outcome, and my thing is for a better place. So my advice to you is just try to be better than yesterday. Just put your best foot forward and keep Jah in your prayers and just push forward. You have a purpose here. You are here because Jah wants you to be here and Jah wants you to be good. Just tell yourself that. So if I understand that Jah wants you to be good, just be good and good will follow.
So as you walk through life, just continue to lift people up.
Lift people up and do good. You know what I mean? So, and then good to follow you. Don't watch about who, just do it. Don't watch it, just do it. And then you will see the result at the end of the day. Some people feel like if you have negativity, don't have to have negativity. You know what I mean? You can be positive. So that's the purpose. Be positive.
Positivity. So, Mr. Dodd, we're coming close to the end of our conversation about purpose, but is there a takeaway, that one thing that you'd like our listeners to take away from our conversation today? That thing that you believe that will be most beneficial to those individuals who are struggling identifying their purpose?
One thing I want to take away, that you're meant to be here. Because if you're never meant to be here, you'll never be here. You have survived thus far. You know what I mean? So there's a reason why you're here. And to find that reason, you got to look in yourself. And if you have done a million bad, it's time to do good, right? If you have taken a million wrong turn, it's time to take the right turn now, right? So there's space and there's room for positivity here where you're at, you know what I mean? Then there's room for growth at all times. No matter how far you say there, there's room there. And be kind, you know what I mean? Be kind within your words and everything in daily life. That can be a purpose for making somebody smile on a daily basis, and positive energy to the kids them. Teach them the right way. Do not follow them up in the hype. Teach them, say, yo, the hype doesn't work. You know what I mean? So that should be the takeaway. Be yourself and be your best self. You know what I mean? And that would be your purpose. Here on earth, man was made to serve Jah. You know what I mean? So that's our purpose too. Serve the Most High. The Most High wanted to be good. So do good. Help each other. Because that's the message from the order and from the day. That is it from the beginning. Be good and help each other. You know what I mean? But that's what. And praise to the Most High. Give thanks to life. You know what I mean? We are here. And we have come a long way. And we're still here. And it's a long, long journey ahead of us. Stay strong.